Yeah. Umuthiri.
He mumera wiho. Indi campaign cia baba. Augite baba a kuotana ri. Augire and I quote. If anything happens to Odinga, this country should be disbanded and everybody should go home.
Ndamuririkana.
We anzo kinyete hau riu.
Ndita hakinyu tondu. We
Tome disbandio
mundu ainuke. Kila mtu aende nyumbani.
Yes. Kana ndio tumenya andu a mweri mako maria Uganda, kwe mwena wa gurio ni Singapore. Kwe mwena wa gurio ni Nigeria.
Onge ugithi Ethiopia.
You know try ni very clear indications. Na try na hotekanu wa maguta kuongererwo bei. But we tutiragiciragia riu ningi ni uguo. I think it is historical.
Ndira asha matire maguta matire mongererwo na gikiro kiu ever.
No.
These are first one.
It is a fast.
Thirikari no nikio ngangiriire no na ore ndire yongererwo uguo.
Sa.
Dieka ne naitekei oinaga kauga ruo. Ne naitekei.
Ruo.
Roro ne ruo.
Ruo.
Ne ruo tondu. Feto rirongereirwo na ciringi
28 na mangotore
28 bob.
Yes.
Dithuru
ciringi vote
ruo.
For the first time in history maguta riu ma Petro na dithuru ni maiganania ki
ni maigana na bei.
Yes.
Na matire maiganana matura na makona slight difference.
Yes.
Riu dithuru na Petro ki bei ni ciaigana na bururi uyu.
Yes. It was expected kwa ndio ile horo wa shika pwanga cianga o wali saini agado.
But either way
it was not. As you see
40 bob.
Adigijini augete oro oguo.
That is abnormal.
Yathi wagacagu ne ugete atiri. Petrol, the price of petrol shall go up by 40 shillings. He knew.
Do you know what that means?
Yes.
Riu to maguta. Umuthe turona maguta.
Yes.
Rucio no kena muthenya ucio ngiri.
Yes.
Ni kuga thogoro wa indo cio the bururi uyu ni ukwambata.
Actually, as early as this morning,
yes.
Andu aria mari afia cia mataturi, they will tell you ni ciongereirwo.
Yes.
Ni ndaigua mohoro-ini andu anduthi makiuga atiriri, riu tutingikuaga andu uguo turamakuaga. No mwaka tumongere.
In fact gutire andu ndiracaira ta andu anduthi.
Yes.
Tondu riu kuringana na thogoro wa maguta haria wakinya, ndigwiciria riu nduthi no kuo na nduthi handu gukuo na ciringi 50.
Oyi, tena ni kwari nginya stage ya 30, 40.
Thaici no kureme muno.
Kurema
ni thogora wa maguta,
especially nduthi ya maguta ndwigu ici cikire cia miaki
no riu nyingi na mbere nene ni ya maguta.
Yes. Tona cia electric muno cie uko matauni. Yes.
Ni ruo
206
magana meri maithathatu.
Yes.
No nduria ironiko ni ati ta riu Uganda maguta mao mothe mageragira bururi wa Kenya magithi Uganda. No ngicompare bei ya maguta Kenya na bei ya maguta Uganda.
Uganda is cheaper.
Yes. Maguta mao mothe magereire guku no ko ni marafodi kwendia thogora munina nini gukira Kenya.
Yes. Uganda.
Ya pana. No we.
Hapo ndio tuko sasa.
Na thirikari rauga o tuhorere. You know, it's quite unfortunate.
And when thirikari you're getting to power with the promise of kunyihia thogora wa muturire.
In fact ya ngoro kuri undu umwe thirikari no iku yahuthirire muno magika campaign before 2022.
Yes.
Ni horo wigie mathogora ma maguta.
Actually, yes.
Na makionithia andu uria mahinyiriirio ni thirikari ya Uhuru.
The then deputy president yarugama akauga uhoro wa maguta ni kuhinyiririo na undu ucio ni ugucenjia. Yes.
Riu niwe wigite-ini. Na riu nake niwe wongereire ona gukira ona undu utari waiguika.
Historically
it has never been seen.
Yes. And he is not even serving in difficult times. So kwana yama president goko maratha na kwikuritwo na ukira riu. Yes.
Tareke twambe twethe riri. Tareke twambe twethe miario ya president yana hau kabere tiga riu ya thaici.
Yes.
Yana hau kabere. Di kana nitukuona miario yake yana hau kabere ya riri.
Mimi nataka niwaambie hii mafuta inaongezwa usiku na mchana. Mimi nataka niwaeleze ya kwamba these people don't understand the damage they are doing to the people and the economy of Kenya. Kwa hii taxes wanaongeza usiku na mchana. Na mimi nataka niwaulize watu wa hapa Manga, tafadhali, mkiona tumesimama hapa mbele yenu, tunawaambia ya kwamba tutengeneze hiyo serikali inakuja ambayo inaelewa lugha ya mwananchi wa kawaida.
Haya.
Watu wa Manga mko tayari?
Ucio ni president hende ya campaign ya kundu gwitagwo Manga. Akiaria horo wa mathogora ma maguta.
Yes.
Na gukiuga hindi thirikari ya hindi yo uria yahinyiriirie andu.
Akiuga yongagirira maguta utuku na muthenya. Take riu ongerera rucini na hwaini. Auga atiriri thirikari yake ri the promise they just said ati ni utuika thirikari ya kwaria lugha ya mwananchi wa
kawaida.
Yes.
Na I remember hindi mwe former president Uhuru Kenyatta ni undu wa bara ire ari kuya Russia na Ukraine na batoni ya president Ruto hindi yo magetha gite makimukirira muno na makimwira atige kuheana itumi cia Ukraine na Russia ni kuongerera maguta. Let me look for that.
The people telling us about Ukraine and Russia are also telling us that there is no shortage of fuel. They are also trying to blame oil marketers. So they are even conflicted in the reasons why we have an artificial crisis in the country. From their own statement, they are not sure of what to say. Is it because of the war in Ukraine, or is it because of the crisis with our oil marketers? Which is which? And that goes to tell you that this crisis is orchestrated, and it is as a result of the cartels and barons who have taken over. Using conflict of interest and state capture in our economy. I mean, a straight answer would be, how come that fuel in Uganda is cheaper than fuel in Kenya?
Yeah, it is.
Ucio riu ni president batuko marethaga giti.
Ni haria akundaga mai. Tukaringika tukihura ruhi.
The same person umuthi. Riu niwe wigiti-ini.
Ucio rauga ati these people telling us. He is now those people. Yes.
Riu niwe wikuo.
Ndiye kana thikairia miario teno.
You know, wega ni ati kindu giothe recorded ri.
Yes.
No githakwo na thutha wa miaka 10 iguka.
It is documented.
It is documented.
On the internet never forgets.
Yes. Riu niwe wikuo.
Yes.
Maguta thirikari yake ni ongerera na ciringi 40 harĩ lita.
And the very same narrative ari horo wayo miario-ini ino niyo ira happen either is exactly kana iya twira uri arabanga
abure cartel ria kiingirire riu kiuria kira tureuria ni riri kaya kiingirire heria cartels
akire kugiuka cartel ingi
kugiuka cartel gake
no. This country should be disbanded.
Riu haria riu maundu makinyite bururi uyu ri ndiona rimwe ni urakirwo uria kayona thirikari ire rathana inogete ni gwathana ndiona mundu ni ika handu akanogio ni andakauga ikue
ona rimwe ni wira guku wika kaundu kirotire wako ni unogetio ni wira ugitige.
Because how do you explain to me at lita ya dithuru yongerirwo na ciringi 40
shillings? A whooping 40.
Now I'm already this same government. In fact, I was trying to research on something September 2022.
The tax maguta.
President ule weku thaici ehitithirio September 12th.
Yes.
2022.
Yes.
2 days after ehitithio thogora wa maguta ukiambata zia.
It's short.
No kiongerera na ciringi 20.
Diko igere
just 2 days into office.
Yes.
Riu muthe ningi ni wongererwo na ciringi 40.
Yes. There's we should have listened to thigeria ta muruto wa literature ya twariru atiriri tugiweka Biblia chini
no
kutoka iweke
ai bururi ungithi uguo ri tutithiete wega.
No.
Tutithiete wega. You would rather be very honest with one another.
But it is the truth. Plain truth.
And that kind of economy is not sustainable.
It is not.
It is not sustainable at all.
Ona nekio turagia issues ya murimu utakoragwo guo tene witagwo mental health.
Yes.
Tene gutiare murimu ucio ndwari muingi.
Umenye ruko ni gukugia spiral effect na ndakora spiral effect ni indo ciothe kugia goro. Ni kumana na maguta.
It's a ripple effect. Ore withagia kahiga mai niguo. Gathika twarithitie mai.
Riu ri
ayuthira metereire mawira mandiku ri companies will start scaling down.
Yes.
Akabudi mekwa jere kunyihia workforce. Tondu riu matire na capacity, the operational cost is too high.
Tondu menya maguta mongerero automatically thitima no ikugia goro automatically.
You see here kindu gitagwo fuel level.
Yes.
Area koragwo thitima ini it will shoot up. It's already high.
It's already way high anyway.
And you see kwe mavururi thiini wa thi mari ha nginya igoti nene gutukira na kuraihu muno no igoti riu nire marutagira wira. What is our tax even doing?
That is the problem.
Yes.
Riu mutino uria ukiriho ni ati thirikari ino ikuo umenye ikombete mbeca igakomba nginya na igoti riria iratanya kurogota kuma maguta-ini.
Yes.
So already ni jigirire.
Yes.
Igoti riu ni rigirire already.
Yes.
Riri koratero ya ngombo.
I tell you.
Riu tondu maguta atawa nimo matana cenjia. And you know there is a reason sometimes back maguta matawa mongereirwo thogora magiuka kuiganana na hakuhi na ndithuru.
Of course you had the issue of adulteration.
Yes.
Yes.
Tondu ni makihuthikaga gutukanio na ndithuru niyo twetaga adulteration.
Yes.
Riu ndo ndithuru ni akinyia meri me mbeca ri.
Yes.
Maguta matawa matina gicenjia.
Matigoro haria.
So who cushions Kenyans kumana na mutugo wa endia maguta gutukania na maguta matawa?
Yes. Especially diesel to
especially
na kerosene. Yes.
No kugitira Kenya kumana na mutugo ucio.
We are not in a good place.
Bururi undu thiete wega kabatwira nema tuikare tuwi.
Yes. This go gataru Finland na Japan they are taxed 55%. But look at their countries. No gotie mundu complain. Yes.
Ndirakwira atiriri that this kind of economy is not sustainable.
No, it is not.
It is not. Totingethi hanene.
No,
totingethi hanene.
Eno riu ni etagwo ri crisis.
Yes.
Yes.
Na turauga uguo tondu na ithu turi ya Kenya na tuikara bururi uyu.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Na gaka kiri kayo ka muingi
yes.
Ucio kuhutio niki
ni mathogora macio.
Yes.
No na marahutia mundu munene wa gatagati-ini na mundu wa the everybody
cuts across.
Riu president akinyirio ni andu ake aria mamuthikagiriria makamutaurira mamutaurire
erwo tigutheke.
Yes. Na tucokerio ringi that kind of economy
is not sustainable. No, it is not.
It is not.
It isn't.
It is not. Neither 8 na 57.